Hi Barry, as Pro-powerflushing, telephone number 07836 353 985. We're doing a power flush today in actual Goose Tree, I think it's near Crewe. The system's an open vented central heating system, home served customer. Boiler keeps cutting out, completely full of blockages. We've actually been up into the loft where the hot water cylinder is. It's like a bungalow this, where the hot water cylinder is. And we've took the pump valves off, and near the pump and valves we found an absolute massive blockage, which we did actually have to dig out with some steel rods. And the system's just completely full of rust and corrosion, as you can see. We've had the power flush pump going for quite a while now. This is the corrosion metal we've got out the system so far, and there'll be more to come, no doubt. We've got the FX2 chemical in there full of rust and corrosion. Okay, so if you don't know what a power flush is, we're going to quickly explain, and then we'll tell you about me and my services. So power flushing is just a means of flushing through all your central heating system, through your boiler, your radiators, your pipework, etc., getting all the rust, corrosion and metal out of the central heating system. After the power flush, well, basically after this power flush, this thing will work. The boiler was cutting out, overheating. No heat or hot water in the property at all. Old age pensioners in here, over 80, and they're cold, so we're going to leave them warm later on. We just know it. We found the problem, and we're addressing the problem now. Still not got the flow through the system that we really want, but obviously the chemical and the power flush is actually going to break up them blockages and get the flow going right around the system and through the boiler as we want it. Much better than it was, but we've still got a lot to do. Okay. So my name's Barry Ayres. I'm a fully gas safe registered engineer, and this is what we do. We power flush central heating systems day in, day out. We're very massively experienced. Basically, we cover a 60 to 70 mile radius of our hometown, which is Bramwell, Stockport, Manchester. Hence us being in Goose Tree today. It's only like 18 mile away from our house, but we'll get down to Derby, Stafford, Blackpool, Chester, areas like that, over to Sheffield, Preston, sometimes Leeds. So we get around. Okay, our prices are up to 50% cheaper than the major utility companies and more. In fact, we done a power flush the other day for a big property. The customer was quoted by British Gas £1,400 for this particular power flush, not this one the other day, and we came in at £650. So you know, our prices are usually cheaper than that for a normal average sort of system now. So yeah, that's really what it's all about. Okay, fully gas safe registered, power flushing to BS 7593 standard, all done 100% properly. Okay, it is actually the COVID season now. We're actually in November 2020. Obviously we are still working. We're masking up, taking precautions, keeping our distance from the customers, and keeping the property clean, as we always do. Okay, we lay mats and things throughout the property, and just we respect your property, and we respect you. Okay, fully certificated to BS 7593 standard. You will receive a certificate upon completion of the power flush, which is all okay with service provider, whether it be British Gas, Home Serve, E.ON, etc. And basically the best power flush you'll get anywhere in the UK. Okay, so we're going to get on with the job now. We'll get back to you later. We've got a lot to do. So yeah, we'll just get back to you later on. Okay, hi Barry, Pro power flushing. Okay, we're starting to rinse it out now. That's the water out the header tank, absolutely full of rust and corrosion, as you can see, clogging the system up. This is the Centrum X100 inhibitor. We're going to add that later on to prevent further rust and corrosion building up in the central heating system. So the job's going okay. We've had the boiler fired. Yeah, this system's going to be okay. We may sign off now. It might get a bit dark. We're not sure. We know the system's going to work absolutely perfectly, so we're going to sign off. So my name's Barry Ayres, Pro-powerflushing. Telephone number 07836 353 985. Or email us through our website. We'll always get back to you if you need any power flushing or central heating power flushing done in the northwest UK area. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.